Okay, we're going to try this. I have my phone precariously perched on the vise. Well, the prototype is done, and it would have been a nice project had it worked. The prototype worked fine, but it's not that practical. But I will just dissect it now and show you the parts. This, if you can see, is the mechanism. The cam. That's a 9mm hole with 9mm threads, and if you can see, that has a little thing in there to fit the shaft, and then when you turn it, it rotates out. And the shaft goes in like this. And when the cam is in there, it skips over that, right? And locks in like that. Can't really see that, maybe. I don't know. And then it locks against that edge, and then when you lift it, of course, it releases it. So that's that part of it. And of course, these are 7/16 outer diameter with spring pins in them, and they're designed to fit right in the 7/16 part of this. This is, I will show you. This holds it all together in the end. Collar, set pin, set screw. See there, set screw. And see, I put a Garolite insert in there, 3/8. 3/8 this end, which fits nicely in the shaft. Then this end, with the lathe, I drilled out the 7/16, an inch and a half. And then I milled this down a little bit so it fit into the, and I drilled a hole in the aluminum, 5/8. This is 5/8 outer steel tube. And then I glued the Garolite in there, and the tubes in there, and then, like I said, with a lathe, I drilled 7/16 so that when you load it like this, it stops, but the 7/16 is where it registers in there. And then this was a regular sling that I drilled out with a 5/8 hole, again on the lathe. That's the only way you can drill this hole in the center. That's it. A successful prototype that failed. Over and out.